Right guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to break down this trade I took today on gold. Kind of top down analysis style. I got break even and I'm currently in again. So we're currently going to see how this goes, but I'm going to break down the trade I took, which I got break even. I'm also going to break down the trade that I'm in again. So bear in mind, you're probably going to think, oh, this daily wick's quite large to short. Bear in mind, it was bank holiday yesterday, so we've kind of got 2 days worth of PA in one little candle. This was a previous day high SMT. Just understand that this is a really lower probability because of phases of price, right? Expansion being met with consolidation. So we need to manipulate ideally one side of the range. Right now we're kind of just trading inside of it all. So if we go here, if this new week opening gap wasn't here, I wouldn't have taken this trade. You see the daily profile doesn't support shorts. Like, it doesn't have to. It's just a lot more high probability when it does. But all we've done all day, we've got no really good established high today in my opinion. All we've done all day is just expand away. Which ideally, expansion, I want to be met with retracement or consolidation, and then we can look to trade the new phase of price, which is obviously more continuation, right? So I was looking for this for the day. And then I saw we had this new week opening gap, which was actually inversed, and you can see we found support there. So I used that instead. I mean, it would have been nice, you know, to get maybe an SMT fill in here, but we didn't get it. So I waited until, so this is a two-stage, right? We've got stage one, and then this is also a PSP. I didn't trade the 6 a.m. I wanted to wait until 10 a.m. because this 6 a.m. candle wick was quite large, right? The only thing I could have possibly done differently, I'll go over in a minute. It was kind of this 90-minute section. But yeah, so this is our SMT, new week opening gap as the key level. And here you can see this is actually our PSP as well, right? Just confirming it all. So I should have waited until here, until 10:30. But then again, right, this candle here, I was fine with because it had the driver in. Obviously it had open, so the candle wick can be a bit large. Same way with like 6 a.m. etc. But I just didn't like this, so I was happy to wait for 10 a.m. which I did, right? And as you can see, this is the trade I'm currently in. But the trade I was in was off this 5-minute gap, stop loss here, TP in here, right, and then a runner to there. If any of you follow me on Instagram, you'd have seen that. And then I went break even when we confirmed this order block here. I went break even like this, got stopped out. We actually tested this 15-minute gap, a little baby one in there, and now we're just going lower. So I took a continue because the idea is still valid, right? So if we just carry on down here, look, the idea is still valid, the draw is still open. We just basically had a 10 a.m. open, high, low, close, right? And on a previous 4-hour candle, maybe these equal lows. I'm not fucking like I don't care if we don't get there. But yeah, the idea is still valid. I just got back in upon this V shape, right? So you can see we sweep this low. This is our V shape, and then my entry was just at this. These are obviously the order block here. So if we go like this, this is obviously the order block. In my eyes, right? So you see all these candles here, just like this. I decided to put my stop loss just like that, I believe it was, and I was happy with that stop loss. Mainly, what was it? Here, yeah. So basically, what I done in this scenario is I wanted 50% of the order block to be respected. So it was like that. 50%. You see how this is an order block as well. Just fractalizing it, right? And yeah, so I'm probably gonna move my stuff now, actually, just to secure some profit and go break even, just like that. Can you see that? So I've just gone break even. Like I don't really want to give anything back. It's getting quite late in the day. So yeah, I'm going to show you my executions. As you can see, this is my Tradeovate, right? And this is one of my accounts, and you can see got in here, be here, Tradeovate at the bottom left. Pretty simple, I think. I'm pretty good at stock break even. But yeah, I mean the day's already expanded quite largely. So I'm happy to give this a crack, and that's pretty me done for the rest of the day, guys. Definitely doesn't help the fact that indices were kind of expanding, especially NQ, and we're so decoupled on all of them, as you can see. But what can you do about it? So yeah, hope that all makes sense to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.